Hi, today I will show you my new costumes. Here are 9 colors. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 costumes and 1 cutter. So let's open this, and here is writing Decode Dye Shiny Mind Tape. And here is mini masking paper. Mini masking tape. Okay. So let's open this, and here says matte gold powder tape mini tape base. So let's open this. So where can I open this from? I can open this from here. Look. Okay, so let's open it. Wow, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited. Oops. What am I opening? Wow, look. One costume. Wow, look. I need to take this and wow, look. Wow. I will throw this away. Wow, look. These are very cute. Wow. And here is the cutter. So how can we put this there? Like this? No, of course not. Okay. So how can we put this inside this? Okay, so look, we can put these costumes instead of this like this. Look. I have to just pull this out. Wait, this is very tight. That's why I can open this. Whoa. Okay, so which costume should I put in here? Okay, so let's count which costume should I put here. But first, look, something. I am making a pyramid. Another one, and I need another one. But wait, I will show you something. Okay, so let's see which one can I put in there. So first I have to put this all like this, then I will guess. Okay, so let's count to 20. Which one will I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Wait. I've counted 26. Why? I need to count to 20. Okay, so let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have to put this here. Okay, so let's put it here. I'm super excited. Okay, so then we can do this like this. Look. Like this and like this. And now wait. Okay, so where can I start the costume from? Okay, so let's see. So where can I open it from? Here. Okay, so let's see. I have to. Okay, so I have opened this. Now look. Okay, so like this. And now like this. Wow, wait. What? Look, the costume came out. Very cute. And then I have to take out like this. And then like this. I have to off it. Look. And I will put this together again. This was very cute and very mini. I like many things a lot. I like many things a lot. This costume is very good and cute. Wow. Okay, so bye bye. These costumes are really good. Bye bye. Oh, really good.